Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold your Audi Q7 back seat. First, locate the release levers, usually found on the top or side of the seat backs. Before folding, ensure your front seats are moved sufficiently forward to prevent any obstruction. Also, remember to push down all headrests completely for a flat fold. This preparation makes the process smooth and easy. Now, to fold the seat backs, simply pull the designated lever for the section you wish to fold. As you pull, gently push the seat back forward until it lays flat. You can fold individual sections, like a 1/3 or 2/3 split, or all of them. This flexibility allows you to customize your cargo space as needed for various items. With the seat backs folded down, you've significantly increased your Audi Q7's cargo capacity. Double-check that all sections are fully flat and securely in place. Some models allow you to adjust the cargo floor for an even flatter surface. Always secure any loose items in the trunk area to prevent movement while driving, ensuring safety and organization. When you're ready to use your rear seats again, the process is just as simple. Firmly lift each seat back until you hear and feel it click securely into its upright position. Look for the red indicator to disappear, confirming it's locked. Finally, adjust the headrests to their proper height for passenger comfort and safety. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.